Everyone in this world wants look slim and smart. That's why how to lose weight is a big question in these days. Nowadays obesity is a big issue among the peoples in European countries. But now it's also increasing very fast in Asian countries too. But we also know that without having a proper diet, without any physical activities, that's not going to happen. To be honest with you, weight loss is not just a woman's dream, it's every else's dreams as well. If you want to avoid much exercises and unhealthy diet, for the sake of losing weight, you should drink this miraculous homemade drink. It will boost your metabolism and speed up the weight loss process. This super 2 ingredients healthy drink will help you lose weight faster than ever. Let's see the ingredients we need to use in the weight loss drink. Ingredients: water 250 ml, cinnamon 1 tablespoon, honey 2 tablespoons. Now you need to follow this procedure step by step. At first, take a saucepan. Secondly, add 250 ml of water in the saucepan. Place the saucepan on the stove. Let the water boil for 2 or 3 minutes. Then add cinnamon in the water, turn off the flame, and let the water be cool. Finally, add honey in it. Always try to use powdered cinnamon to make this drink. You will find it from near super shop, or you can grind it at home. To lose weight naturally at home, by using this miraculous drink, you have to follow the given way. Drink half cup of this juice daily before sleep, and rest of it in the next morning before breakfast. Hope you will get positive results of this easier remedy in few days. You can easily lose weight by using this honey and cinnamon drink. You can continue this remedy until you lose weight according to your wish. Subscribe our channel for more videos and hit that bell icon.